So yeah, my name's Ronnie. I'm basically, what's your name?
Freddie.
Freddie.
I'm
basically a street photographer.
Oh, sick! Nice.
So what I do, I take pictures of people, everyday people.
Fantastic.
And show like different ages, different gender, different ethnicities, and show people that everyone's beautiful. You know.
Man, that's a fact.
So
you got Instagram?
Yeah. I'll show you a little bit of my work. It's a new project that I'm putting together.
What's your name, man?
Ronnie _ Sidhu.
Oh, Sidhu. Lovely. That one right there?
There you go.
Hey, there he is.
Yeah, so
What's up?
here are some of the pictures, but at the top I've just started filming
Yeah.
and making videos of it. So I approach people,
Sweet.
introduce what I do, I see if they'd like a free portrait picture,
That's so
and then
sick.
add them to the reel.
Mate, that's so cool. Are you doing that all around London or everywhere? Anywhere?
Yeah, everywhere. So,
Everywhere and anywhere?
so yeah, I live in Ibiza. Well, I used to live in London, and now live in Ibiza. But I'm back here for a little bit.
Is it cheaper over there?
No, it's expensive. Yeah, it's expensive.
So.
Yeah, it is expensive.
Right.
But I didn't know. My partner introduced me. So if Ibiza, have you been to Ibiza?
I haven't.
So if Ibiza's like this, there's a tiny part of it up here, which is the party district where everyone goes to get wasted.
Cool.
And that's all I knew. I thought it was just a party island.
I'm guessing you went there party beforehand and then went there.
No, I've never been there to party. I've done all my partying here.
Yeah,
but the rest of it is all holistic. It's all yoga, retreats, hiking, and proper Zen sort of stuff. Yeah, meditation is awesome. Yeah. Was it Freddie?
Freddie, yes.
Yeah. So we come back. I've got family, friends here and stuff, and so my grand's not doing so well at the moment. So
condolences.
Yeah, but she's 93. She's had a good innings.
That's a good
life. Yeah.
Fair
She's
play.
had a good life. So come back to spend some time with her, and then we'll probably head back January.
Get her to Ibiza.
Yeah,
Imagine.
I mean she can't walk at the moment.
Okay,
so.
I'm sorry.
No, it's good. It's just age. It's just age. She's had a good life.
She had a good life.
Yeah. She's happy. Yeah. But yeah, could I take a portrait of you?
Oh yeah, mate, take it. Yeah.
Is that all right?
Yeah, mate, of course.
Yeah.
No worries.
So tell me about yourself. What are you doing here?
I'm
so you're doing like a Hello Fresh sort of pasta?
Sort of like a pasta thing, yeah. Non-attendas. It's just like a cheeky side job to get some extra cash. See how it's going, that kind of thing. Super chill to make. I could pitch it to you, but you don't live there, so there's no point.
Yeah, there's no point unless you want to practice.
Yeah, I could practice, but mate, it's been an alright day so far. I've been fairly chill. You know
yeah.
I mean? It's quite a nice area because they dot us like all around the place. So
right, yeah. How receptive are people to?
Super, man. People love pasta.
People love pasta.
They love pasta.
People love pasta.
They get addicted to pasta.
So basically, you get the sauce and the pasta, and it's like
the garnish,
the correct portions, and you're good to go.
Everything's there. 2 portions.
Makes sense, huh?
It's lovely. Yeah.
This like delivery sort of service. I saw another one where you send off a blood test. This company takes your blood test, and then they send you personalized vitamins. Like this. So every month they'll send you a box with your vitamins for the month.
Okay.
And then after like 3 months, you'll send your blood test in, and then they'll adjust it.
That must be expensive.
I don't know, but like everything's becoming this sort of like subscription delivery
it's COVID,
sort of.
Man. COVID changed it all.
Yeah, the high street's done, man. The high street's gonna be finished.
Yeah, no, they're dead, mate. They're dead. I'm not even like giving pasta out. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But I just finished drama school last year, so I've just been like doing.
Oh really? So you wanna be an actor?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I've got an episode of Doctors coming out in January. So
what's Doctors? I don't know.
It's like BBC Doctors. I don't know if you've seen it.
No,
It's sort of like a. I'd say it's like a Holby City or like an East End.
Oh right, okay, yeah. You're in it.
I am, yeah.
You're in it.
Yeah, man. Very excited. Appreciate it, mate.
Fuck it, awesome, man.
Yeah, it should be good. So it comes out in January. I'm just trying to get some extra.
What kind of role are you playing in there?
I'm playing. No spoilers, but I'm like a love interest for a little bit.
Right.
Not for too long.
Not for too long. Yeah.
Which is nice.
Oh, that's good, man. Is that like your first big break, or you've done some other bits?
I did this like gaming commercial, which like they sent me to like Croatia and Slovenia to like film and stuff like that. So it was a big commercial, and it was a great experience because I got to ride on motorbikes and stuff like that, which was really fun.
Yeah.
So technically, it was a great experience, but I wouldn't say that was like a break or anything. This Doctor's like a good stepping stone. Yeah. Just bit by bit.
And if you like projected yourself like 10 years time peak,
Peak.
At peak. Where what kind
I'd
of
be a main character.
Yeah,
on
what kind of
long-term
actor would you
show.
be?
That's it.
Like films or show or
Film, TV, all of the above.
what kind of like action, drama, horror?
I've always had like a few things. I want to die in a western. That's one of my things.
Die in a
western. I want to have my own TV show where I'm like the main character. I would like to be in a film franchise.
Yeah.
I used to be like I want to be a superhero in one of the things, but I'm not sure if I want to do that anymore. But maybe.
Yeah.
Different goals, man.
Have you ever thought about? I don't know. Just an idea off the top of my head about like producing your own like mini series on YouTube.
Yeah. So we're at the moment I've been writing some stuff to get some like to send to like some short film stuff. Film it myself, write it, and then get it done. Because I love writing as well.
Because I remember like there was this bunch of. I remember seeing this on YouTube. There was a bunch of African friends. Cool. There was like 4 of them.
Yeah. What were their names?
Oh, I can't remember.
No, I might know them. I
can't. I'll try and Google them in a sec. But they had nothing. They basically had like a iPhone 7 that had like a cracked screen on it. They had some PC from the like 1998 or something.
That's sick.
And they just filmed stuff. Yeah. And they made like sci-fi episodes out of it.
Sci-fi stuff?
Yeah, sci-fi stuff. They made sci-fi stuff. And like what they did with that basic equipment, and now they've got like funded by some big African sort of tycoons, and they've got their own sort of production company now, and they're making movies. So they've gone from basically nothing
to something
to having their own production.
I love my own film production company.
And YouTube's such a great way to get your skills and everything out to the world.
It's fancy doing it.
It is, man. Yeah, do it, man.
You do portraits as well.
Yeah. Can I take yours?
Yeah, man.
Is that all right?
How long have you been doing this for?
Photography. About 10 years, 10 years, something.
That's not too long.
It's always been a hobby.
Yeah.
It's always been in the back of my head. Then one day I sort of just quit my full-time job.
What was your full-time job?
I was running an IT department in Harley Street in a cancer clinic.
Okay.
Yeah, 9 to 5.
Got too heavy.
Yeah, it's too much. I can't handle it. It's not. Yeah, I just like to be free and like talk to people like yourself just randomly. Just waiting for a coffee, and now we're having a conversation. Now I know who you are.
We're friends now.
It's awesome.
I'm the same. I job to job. Like while the acting thing, I'm just like I want to learn a new skill, get some sales done, and then I'll go to the next one. I teach people how to throw axes. I've done like the whole Just Eat biking thing. Like I've done.
Oh right, yeah.
All man. Yeah. Just to learn new skills. So like yourself, you don't want to then like bog down. You want to do what you like.
Yeah, and then just follow your passion.
Exactly.
And the rest will all fall in place.
That's it, man.
It will, man. It definitely will.
Yeah.
Let me grab a little portrait of you if that's all right.
Yeah. Do you want a specific pose?
Not really. One second. Let me just get these settings right. Oh, you're an actor. You got plenty of poses, huh?
Oh, mate, I can do loads.
Go on then. Give me your like repertoire.
My repertoire.
Lovely. Beautiful. I'll send you these if you want them.
Mate, I'd love them. Hit me up.
Let's go this way. A few different angles. Yeah, just do your thing, man.
Do you like pasta? Do you like pictures? I think you love pictures. I think you did. That's it.
Awesome.
You've been doing this for a while then.
You're a natural, Freddie.
We love it.
You're a natural.
I just love cameras.
Hey. Thank you, buddy. What's your name, buddy?
Sam.
Sam, I'm Ronnie.
Ronnie, lovely
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem. Hey, listen, I'm a street photographer, a portrait photographer.
Yeah.
And what I do, I go around taking pictures of people in the public.
Okay, yeah.
And I show all kinds of genders, ages, and that everyone is beautiful, and try and show the diversity of people in London.
Yeah.
You have a really interesting face. I was wondering if, really great features,
me ugly,
amazing eyes. I was wondering if I could take a quick portrait of you. Is that okay?
Yeah, you can do.
Thank you, man. You're amazing.
Should I pose or?
Whatever you like. We'll just do a straight on. Mate, you should be a model.
Me?
Yeah. Have you ever thought about modeling?
Nah, man.
And then give us that big smile. There you go. And I'll just come around here. Look at my hand there. Beautiful, man. No, man, you're a beautiful man. You're a beautiful gentleman. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram, and if you want to message me, if you want me to send you the pictures, I can send you the pictures as well. It's Ronnie, R-O-N-I. Underscore Sidhu, S-I. Should come up. There you go. Come on. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah,
so like I've done pictures of people all over the place, and then what I've just started doing is filming them and like filming my interaction and then posting the pictures of them after.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's a new project,
Yeah,
and it's just
cool.
to show diversity of people, and that you know, people think in big cities that people are not friendly, but
No, I mean,
really, if you reach out and you just say hello,
Yeah.
and you
well, I mean, people
you know,
here
you can
have such a resting bitch face.
yes,
Yeah,
yeah. They do, and but people think that London's not a friendly place, but if you reach out and say hello, generally people are very receptive and very nice.
Yeah, it's a stereotype, but I see there's definitely like this is plausible that it's like it's not a nice place.
Yeah.
With an crime and shit like that.
Yeah. And it's getting worse. It's getting worse.
I mean, it's unfortunate, but
Where are you originally from?
yeah.
Oh, you're originally from here. And your heritage, you're English, or?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Your eyes, you look like, I don't know.
Yeah, I've been told I have European in me.
Yeah, like
Just the
Bulgarian or something, or I don't know.
I've heard everything. Turkish, Italian.
Yeah, Turkish. Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Yeah.
But no, I appreciate it. At least I don't look English.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
No,
Man.
most of them ugly.
Bro, have a good day. You're amazing, man. Have a beautiful day.